A warm welcome to all the viewers. In this session, I am going to discuss about how you can easily conduct and interpret chi-square test of association in SPSS. Now, as you know, there are two types of chi-square tests. One is chi-square goodness of fit test and the other is chi-square test of association. Chi-square test is meant to analyze categorical variables. Say for an instance, you want to find out the association between gender and the brand preference. In that case, gender having two categories, male and female, and the brand preference having two categories. So there will be a 2 by 2 contingency table or crosstabs. So before we go into SPSS, let us first understand the hypothesis framed for this study. The alternate hypothesis here states that there is a significant association between gender and brand preference. The null hypothesis states that there is no significant association between gender and brand preference. Now we can go to SPSS and quickly find out how to do this and how to interpret the results. Here we are in our SPSS datasheet. We have data of 100 participants. This is a fictitious data. You see 100 case IDs. Then we have gender, wherein 1 denotes male and 2 denotes female. We can check it like this. So male denoted by 1, female coded as 2. Then we have two brands, dining brands, fast food brands. One is McDonald's and the other is Burger King. So McDonald's is coded as 1 and Burger King is coded as 2. So now we want to find out whether there is an association between gender and brand preference, both of these being categorical variables having two categories each. Right? So let us start. We go to analyze, descriptive statistics and crosstabs. After a crosstabs is generated, you get the chi-square test results. So I press crosstabs and here in the row column I'll enter the independent variable which is gender and brand preference will go into column. Though it does not really matter whether you put brand preference in row or gender in column, but still it is advisable that you put independent variable in row and dependent variable in the column bar. Next, we go to exact. We don't want to touch anything over here. The settings are okay by default. Click continue. We go to statistics and we have to click on chi-square, right? If we want to see the effect size, we can click on Kramer's V, phi and Kramer's V. This will give us the measure of association, also known as effect size. So I click here, press continue. Then I go to cells. I want to see the observed counts and the expected counts. I want to see the percentages, rows, columns and total, and click continue. Don't want to touch anything in format, style and bootstrap for now. And now I click on OK. So now the results are in front of us. The first is case processing summary. It shows that there are 100 valid cases. There are no missing cases, no missing values in our data. So we are good to go. So gender and brand preference crosstab. It's a 2 by 2 crosstab. Gender having two categories and brand having two categories, 1 and 2. Gender 1 and 2. So this shows us that males, as 1 denotes male, 25 of them prefer brand 1, which is McDonald's, and 19 prefer brand 2, which is bigger king. That becomes a total of 44. When we see females, it tells us that 31 out of all the females, total females 56, total males are 44 in our data. That makes up 100 respondents. So 31 females out of total of 56 prefer brand 1, which is McDonald, and 25 prefer brand 2, that is bigger king. So is this significant? I mean to say, whether these percentages allotted for each category of gender on their brand preference, does it make any sense? Is it significant or is it by chance? For that, we go to chi-square tests table, and here we want to see Pearson chi-square value. Pearson chi-square value is 0.021. Is it significant? You see here 0.884. In case this significance value was lesser than 0.05, in that case we reject the null hypothesis and we go with the alternate hypothesis, which was there is a significant association between gender and brand preference. Since in this case the significance value is greater than 0.05, it's 0.884, that means we cannot reject the null hypothesis. So we cannot say that there is a significant association between gender and brand preference. So the results which we have got might be due to chance. Please share it with your friends and faculty colleagues. See you next time with some more informative content. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching. Thanks a lot.